Yeah, in today's video, I'm just going to be taking you on a little walking tour around Lamai, where I live on the island. I would say that it's one of the best areas because it's not too busy. They also have really good roads through here, and there's not a lot of traffic compared to other parts of the island. And there's also a new 7-Eleven, which I'll show you in just a minute here. The guy I was talking to during lunch was asking where he could find a SIM card, so I just directed him over here to 7-Eleven, and within 10 minutes he had one. So really easy to get a SIM card if you're coming over to Thailand. You can simply go to any 7-Eleven and pick one up for, like, I don't know, 80 baht or something. You can also exchange money easily right here. If you have, you know, US dollars or whatever your currency is, you can exchange it to Thai baht by coming to one of these places, and you'll get a pretty good exchange rate. And then right over here we have a coffee shop. It's called Diamond Tea, which has really good cheap coffee for about 30 to 40 baht. Right next to an ottery, as you can see behind me here. This is the most convenient way to do laundry. Pretty much they're all over Thailand, and it's only like roughly 100 baht to do a load of laundry. So I'll usually come over here with my girlfriend and do laundry once a week. Very convenient. And right next to the ottery, we have a brand new 7-Eleven. So this just opened today. It's been under construction for about 2 months, roughly. So we'll go in there in a minute, and then after that, I'm gonna walk you to the beach and show you a free gym where I usually work out here in Lamai. It has one of the best views of any gym that I've ever been to. But first, let's go into this brand new 7-Eleven. Just opened today. So here we are. It's brand new, very clean in here. I just got a coffee and a water earlier, and they have everything fully stocked in this 7-Eleven. It's nice and cool in here too on a hot day. So yeah, you can get pretty much anything that you're looking for here, including beer. And that's the new 7-Eleven in Lamai. Very friendly staff as well. And yeah, so they just opened today, and now I'm just gonna walk across the street and show you my favorite gym in Lamai. We can cut through the Pearl of Samui, which is a resort here. Just wait for the traffic to pass. Here we go. So we'll just cut through the Pearl of Samui right here. This is a really nice resort that, you know, was kind of like in disrepair for a couple years during the COVID pandemic, and then they came in and fixed up the place, so it's looking much better now. Swadika! We could just cut right through here to get to the beach. And they have a lot of nice, relatively small bungalows for rent here. I'm not exactly sure how much they are per night, maybe 3,000, 4,000 a night. But as you can see, it's a really nice place, and I wouldn't mind staying here one of these days. They also have a really nice pool as well, as you can see behind me here, and it's right on the beach with a little restaurant area as well. And then if we just cut right through here, we'll get to my favorite gym. This is where I usually work out. I'll go for a walk on the beach typically in the morning, and then I'll just come right over here to work out for about 15-20 minutes. So we could just step down to the beach easily from here. This is one of the most beautiful beaches on the entire island, I would say, and it's usually not too busy. So right now there's like barely anybody here. And so we could just walk across this bridge right here. There's the bridge that goes over to the fishing island, where they have a free gym. So let's just walk across here. Beautiful weather today. just perfect. So we can walk across this bridge right here, and that just takes us to this little fishing island. There's mostly Thai people over here, and occasionally you'll see somebody working out at the gym, but usually I have the whole place to myself, which is perfect because I don't really like working out with other people that much, and I also don't like paying membership fees. So this is kind of the best of both worlds. And just check out the views from here. Look at that. It's got like $1 million views of Lamai Beach. And it's open air too, so you've usually got a nice breeze blowing in through here, which kind of cools you off as you're working out, and some nice shade as well. So here it is behind me. You can see right there. That's the open air gym in Samui. So we could just walk over here. And as you can see, there's a lot of longtail boats here too. So that's because it's a fishing island. Thai people come here, and then the fishermen, and they just take the longtail boats off from here. And of course, the gym equipment is not brand new. Obviously, it's not what you would expect of a place like this, but it's still in pretty good shape. A little bit rusty, but that's okay. So here we are. This is the gym on the fishing island. I'll usually do some reps here and work out for about 20 minutes roughly. Doesn't have to be a lot, just enough to get the blood flowing, gain a little bit of muscle mass. And they also have some restrooms here as well, right behind me. And you could walk out to the end of this little pier right here. So there we are. So yeah, I recommend Lamai for anybody that's coming to Samui. I think it's a great little spot on the island. Not nearly as busy as like Baput or Chaweng or Mainam, and honestly it has one of the most beautiful beaches on the entire island. This is technically part of Lamai Beach as far as I could tell, and you've also got some really nice resorts over here as well, where you can sort of see the sunset. We don't really get good sunsets in Lamai, but yeah. And I think I'm just gonna sit here and relax for a while, enjoy this beautiful weather, and then maybe hit the gym, head back home after that, or keep exploring the island today, because it's beautiful weather. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and until next time, peace from Thailand. Take care, stay safe.